everyone, welcome back to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. It's Nicole here. In today's DIY pattern tutorial, we will be going over a macrame chair cover. So as some of you may know, I have already started a macrame wedding series. I am planning to have a wedding in September, and so I have been busy making several macrame items for the wedding. And with that, I thought I'd create a macrame wedding series for you guys, just in case you wanted to get inspiration or make the same things for your own wedding. Some of the patterns I've already released are the macrame wedding backdrop. It is a large backdrop at about 70 inches wide and 80 inches in length. So it is a huge project, and you can find this 3-part series tutorial on our BOCHIKNOT Macrame community. As for the other items on our wedding series, you will be able to find it on our YouTube channel here, and those include a heart-shaped keychain pattern as wedding favors, a macrame bouquet holder, and also, of course, today's tutorial, a macrame chair cover. This is a fairly simple pattern. All we are making are double half-inch knot diamond design, but the slight difference with that is we're going to close off the diamond with the middle cords first and then the outer cords after. That way the design forms little curves with nothing in the middle. And then to finish off the design, I've added fringe to the pattern to give it that boho look. This is a great beginner project for those of you who are at a beginner skill level, and if you guys are interested in getting more experience as a beginner, we do offer a macrame starter kit which goes over a small wall hanging and the 6 basic macrame knots that you need to know. And with that, let's get started. To begin, you will need some materials and supplies. I've used 4mm cotton cord for this pattern, and here are also the suggested cord lengths. The cord that I will be using for this tutorial is a 4mm single strand cotton cord in our milk white color. This is a soft and sturdy cord made from 100% recycled cotton materials. It is sturdy enough in that it doesn't unravel easily, so that it is great to macrame with. If you're interested in checking out this cord and the other colors that we offer, you can check out the rainbow cord links in the video description below. Start with 2 strands of cord at 70 centimeters long and pin or tape down these 2 cords horizontally onto a stable surface. Take a strand of cord at 210 centimeters long and attach it onto the 2 anchor cords using a lark's head knot. Repeat these lark's head knots 2 more times side by side. To start the first diamond pattern, we're going to take the middle 2 cords and make a diagonal double half-inch knot to the left. So taking the middle left cord as a working cord and the middle right cord as an anchor cord for a double half-inch knot. Then make 2 more diagonal double half-inch knots to the left. Because we are working on the left panel of the chair cover, we're going to be curving the left panel over to the right, and so we're going to leave a little bit more room on the left side. But then when making the right side of this pattern, so right now we're going to take the middle right cord as the anchor cord, we're going to make 2 diagonal double half-inch knots to the right, but we're going to pull them more tightly and leave less space from the lark's head knot row at the top and these double half-inch knots here. If you leave more space on the left side and then less space on the right side, it will eventually curve over to the right. Once the top part of the diamond pattern has been completed, we're now going to close it off starting on the left side using the same anchor cord. We're going to take the middle left cord first and make a double half hitch knot to the right on the left side, and then after take the left cord underneath and make a double half hitch knot to the right. Closing the diamond pattern this way means that there are no big loops in the center of the pattern. So there should be a larger hole in the center once this is completed. Now repeat the same thing on the right side, starting with the middle right cord as the working cord. Make a double half hitch knot onto the right anchor cord diagonally to the left, and then take the next cord onto the right as a working cord for the last double half hitch knot to the left. Then finish off with one more double half hitch knot with the middle two cords diagonally to the left. Repeat the exact same pattern again below, ensuring that the right side is tighter than the left. Repeat for 2 more of these underneath. Now that we have 4, you can see that it is curving to the right side, and we're going to repeat the same thing on the right. Start by attaching 3 cords at 210 centimeters long each, and then starting with the middle 2 cords, we're going to make a double half hitch knot to the right, and then continue with 2 more double half hitch knots to the right after that. We're going to mirror the pattern here, similar to what we did on the left side. So here we're going to have a little bit more space on the right side of the pattern, and then on the left side we're going to pull on the knots more tightly so that it curves over to the left. Taking the middle right cord as the anchor cord, make 2 double half hitch knots to the left, pulling on the cords more tightly so that there is less space. Now we're going to close off this diamond pattern the same way as we did on the left side, and we're going to take the middle left cord first and make a double half hitch knot to the right, and then take the left cord after that for a double half hitch knot. Then with the right anchor cord, take the middle right cord as the working cord and make a double half hitch knot to the right, then take the next cord on the right and make another double half hitch knot. With the middle 2 cords, finish off with a double half hitch knot to the right, so taking the left cord as an anchor cord and the middle right cord as the working cord. Then repeat this pattern underneath 3 more times. Now we're going to connect these 2 panels together for one more diamond pattern. Taking the top cord from the left and from the right, make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Leave a little bit of space on the left and right sides, about 2 centimeters, so that it gives enough room to make the full diamond pattern. Then using the same anchor cord, we're going to make 2 more double half hitch knots to the left. Then with the middle right cord as the anchor cord, make 2 diagonal double half-inch knots to the right. Now close off the diamond pattern as we did the other ones. Once that's complete, we're now going to take some 80cm strands of cord, fold them in half, and attach it onto the loops on the sides of the pattern using reverse lark's head knots. We're going to attach 2 per loop on each side. So taking another strand of cord, attach another lark's head knot beside the one we just made. There are a total of 3 loops on each side, so you can use up the 12 cords with 2 under each loop. And this is what the completed pattern should look like. We're now going to trim the fringe. And what we're going to do is make a V-shaped pattern with the fringe similar to the V-shaped pattern that we created above. Once trimmed, the pattern is now complete. So you can use the hanging ends on both sides to tie the pattern onto a chair, or you can cut the horizontal cords right in the middle there and use them as ties on the side. And that's a wrap with our macrame chair cover tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I've said in the beginning of the video, if you guys are interested in checking out the other videos in our macrame wedding series, I have created a playlist for that and I'll link it below. If you are interested in the large macrame backdrop that I've created and other intermediate to advanced skill level projects, you may be interested in joining our BOCHIKNOT macrame community. We do go over specific macrame lessons every week, which will help you as a beginner to get to the next level quicker. So if you're interested in joining our community on Patreon, check out the link in the video description below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.